and I'm back here again on Tejaswini's Tarot with the live tarot guidance for this week for all of you. Now you see, tarot is one of the simplest forms of divination. So many types of divination means a glimpse into the future. There's so many types of divination which people use. Some of them use strange things like divination with the clouds, divination with smoke, divination with water. You may have heard of coffee cup gazing, tea leaves reading, then of course divination with numbers, with zodiac signs, even meeting with animals. So many things which are used, runes apart from tarot cards, so many crystals, so many instruments of divination, and tarot card is the simplest and the easiest to understand and interpret, and used in a very widespread way for connecting to your inner intuition and for guidance, for counseling. So I'm back here with this week's tarot card, but before I start with that, let me remind you of Tejaswini's brand new workshop, online workshop on Skype, which is going to be unveiled on Saturday 18th November from 3:30 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. on Skype. And this workshop is called Solutions for Anxiety and Depression, and here Tejaswini, we at Tejaswini will be teaching you 12 very powerful techniques of neuro-linguistic programming, proven and practical methods for managing these very common issues of stress, depression and anxiety. So all of you can avail of this workshop, which is on Saturday 18th November, and all the details are on the events page in my page on Tejaswini, and it is also shared on Tejaswini's Tarot. You have to complete all the formalities by 17th November. So go through that, go through those details, go through my curtain raiser, which also I have shared on this page, and I hope to see you on Saturday 18th November for this workshop. And now for this week's tarot card. So this is the card for this week. This is the energy which defines the card which defines the energy of the current week. Now, as you see, this is, you can see a red card and a lot of fire and sparks flying. So this is the page of fire, the page of wands, as they say it in the traditional deck. And this is the Osho Zen Tarot deck, which is a beautiful oriental deck, and with the wisdom of our master Osho and the philosophy of the Zen and the Indian wisdom behind this deck. So in this card you will see a woman who is really, she's simply flying in the air, and she's full of life. She's celebrating life, full of life and verve and light, and she's emerging into the light actually. Very playful. She knows like she's playing the game of life, and right now if you see her face, it is the face, it's painted with the face of the clown. So right now she's enjoying the part of a clown. She's playing the part of the clown with no pretense, no embarrassment, and she's simply enjoying herself. And you will note a childlike playfulness around her, without much concern, with a lot of joy and a lot of abandon around her. So this card is a fire card, energy card. So what is the meaning for you, or what is the guidance for all of us here with this card? The card tells you that something very wonderful is on the horizon. Something fresh is about to start in your life. And this something new it can be a wonderful news which is coming to you. Good news, new information. It's some kind of a surprise which is coming to you. A new opportunity in life, a new project if you're into some kind of work, a new business opportunity, a new way of doing things, something absolutely creative and beautiful. If it's a relationship, it may be telling you of someone new entering your life, a new person whose intentions will be very, very honorable, very, very positive, and who's going to guide you in your life. So be very receptive, be open, be welcoming to all that is coming now in this week. Feel free. If by any chance you have been too serious in the past, or you have if you look at yourself and you realize that you haven't smiled or laughed or enjoyed yourself in the past, then please give it a try. Just try to smile and laugh more. Try to be a free spirit. So this card is also about creativity, creative expression. The card tells you that express yourself freely. Whatever your passion is in life, whatever, there may be a creative restlessness inside you which has been seeking expression for some time, and which you need to express. So go ahead, express it freely, beautifully. Speak your truth, speak your personal truth, stand up for your truth. Do not be afraid, be fearless, be passionate in whatever you do. Be absolutely positive and spontaneous. This card is about spontaneity. I mean, how spontaneous this lady is, how positive. This card is also about taking risks, taking calculated risks in your life. So you can take risks in whatever endeavors you are going ahead with, but just make sure that you are not overly impulsive, or you don't get too impatient, or you don't get too angry. And also do not lose interest in whatever comes your way, or whatever endeavor you are in. Do not lose interest. Go ahead with your creativity. So it's something like, if you have heard that statement that I don't know where I'm going, but I'm on my way. So it's the energy of the card is something like this. You may not have a solid plan for yourself, or you may not have maybe not a clear-cut path there in front of you, but you are aware of the exciting possibilities that are there in front of you and that are looming large. So go ahead, look at these possibilities and just explore everything. And I'm sure this energy of this card is going to keep you busy this whole week. So in a nutshell, this card tells you to be positive, to be enthusiastic, to be spontaneous, to take calculated risks, but do not become too impatient or too restless, quick to anger, and do not lose interest in your creative work. Go ahead with your creative vision. The card is about going ahead with your creative urges and forging a creative vision for yourself. So now, if you have any individual questions or life specific questions, you can always WhatsApp those questions to me. There's a wonderful WhatsApp offer, Tejaswini's offer on WhatsApp, which will you can avail of 2 questions on any 2 questions of your life. You can send to me some of your details. Go through this offer which is on the page and avail that offer and get guided for your various life issues. And you can follow me on this page. You can follow me on the mother page, which is called Tejaswini. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel, which will have all the clippings of and all the curtain raisers and all the work that I have been doing over a period of time. You'll find everything there. So goodbye for now, and I hope to see you once again for the next live tarot reading, which will be next week. And once again, to remind you of the workshop on Skype on how to manage anxiety and depression, 12 powerful techniques, which is going to be held on Saturday, 18th November, 3:30 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. So see you in all the events, and goodbye, and all the best and all power to you. Bye-bye.